achieve your dream. It's all about that JavaScript. Make your revenue more dynamic, yeah. Learn, earn, and produce. Put the Jamstack to good use. Captain Purple, your streaming hero.
Hello, and welcome to another stream here on the iCodeThis platform. How is everyone today? How was that funky intro? I think I have it for a couple of years now. Awesome, let me turn back on some background music. Monday! Yeah, it's Monday. Monday fun day for some people. Richard, howdy, I'm gonna watch while I record. I reset up my home office. Awesome. Send us some pics in the Discord. Thank you, Gurkhan. If you're in the chat, say hello. Hey, Blood, Rachel. Or is it Rach? It's maybe not Rachel. With double E, double L and E. Rosvita, hey. Mihai, look at that. The blue guy in the chat. Jolene, hi. Awesome. Everyone joined today. Let me know if the audio is fine. I'm still trying to figure out. It doesn't sound great. So yeah, if it sounds off, then just let me know. I might have to buy a new mic, or I'm just not good at setting things up. Thank you. Good. So today on iCodeThis we had a new daily challenge, as we have every day, and today is this mobile movie ad kind of project, which looks kind of simple, right? But it has a couple of interesting elements on it. So we're going to start by recreating the layout with HTML, and I'm going to use Tailwind because that's what I like. And I think we have time to play around with some JavaScript to make it more fun. How much fun? Depends on how fast we're going to go with what we have. We still need to get some assets. And I'm thinking out loud, like, so we have this wrapper, right, in the middle of the screen. Then this nav bar, which is interesting. We can add some fancy things to it, especially to this back button. And then we have the movie player here, the text, and the buy button. So yeah, we could also add here a YouTube video, I guess. There's also some kind of a slider thingy back here. That could be interesting to play around, to like scroll to images from the movie. That could be interesting, right? Yeah. See? So, as I said multiple times, from a simple challenge like this, right? You could start by doing the HTML and CSS. That's like the minimum, right? To get it close to this. Although, as I mentioned, you don't have to do it pixel perfect. You can use other images. You can use, in this case, other movie. This is not the player for from YouTube. You can create your own, but you can go crazy, right? You can add JavaScript to make it super dynamic, and you can add animations if you want to do stuff like that. And usually in these kind of streams, I want to go a little bit more in depth, so you can see interesting things we could add. Okay. And also what we can do is to check out all the submissions. By the way, if everything worked correctly, not sure why, Mihai, you said you merged it. We should see the comments count. It feels awkward when I watch you at 1x speed. Yeah, I know. That's the benefit of being live. Let me turn the music down a notch. Chris, hello, and Ron. Awesome, so many fun people. Okay. So if everything's all right, Nicola, hi. Let's look at a couple of submissions to see what people have built. As you can see, that's what I like about iCodeThis. Is not because I built it, shameless plug, but because I see people building the same project in so many ways, right? You have free, you are allowed to be creative and do whatever you want, build it in whatever way you want. And that's really, really nice. I can see so many different things of the same thing, right? So many different approaches of the same project. So yeah, let's see what Ansa did. All right. Yeah, so he built the layout. Perfect. Hey, look at that. We have comments. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's see Nelutsu as well. Look at that. Wow. He built in a Vimeo. Yeah, I don't have the number of comments. What? That's the... We merged it, right? Yeah. If you can check that, let me know. Yeah, so look at Nelutsu. He also added this icon here. He made this Vimeo player, which I might borrow. It's very fun. And yeah, it looks really good. So he had a really nice spin to it. I like it. Oh, okay. So I need to do a dummy. Okay, gotcha. Give me a second. So I need to do a dummy commit. And then in a couple of minutes, we should see the new update. Okay, good. I did a dummy commit to the platform. And let me check. Thank you. Have a nice day as well. Good. So Nelutsu, I like your submission. Very, very nice. Let's see, Chris. Okay, wow. Chris impresses me with his dark theme toggle. Dark light theme toggles. They're pretty nice. I don't know how he does it. It's also transparent. Super cool. But I'm wondering, did anyone do anything about the back button here? That would be interesting to see. Okay, let's see. That's building. Peter. Wow. This is on hover. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Okay. Okay, buy ticket. Oh. We have a fun one. Good. Look at that. 9 comments. What? Pretty cool. I see you like the comment section. I'm new here and I love your there's a heart there, I can see. Your energy. Oh, okay, good. I just woke up, so I should be having plenty of energy. Okay, and one... Wow. This is a big poster. Let's see. Okay, that's zoomed in a bit. I'm good, I'm good. Mr. Master, what did you do? Ooh, look at that. We have a hamburger menu working. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And back button? No, not yet. Okay. There's still time. Still time. You could do stuff. Alright. Let me check if... yeah, it should be built now. Look at that. Now you can see the comments count on the cards. Thank you to our inner bread, Catalin Pitt, and to Mihai to be working on this one. So yeah, you can quickly see which project had the most comments. And I'm not surprised that Peter has the most comments because he's very chatty in the comment section. I saw him comment in many projects. All right. Okay, good. Let's give people likes. And let's start the challenge. This will be a fun one. Okay, do I have everything I need? Okay, good. We should be good, right? Right. Let me drag this up here so we can reference it faster. By the way, as I mentioned, we will recreate the panels here. So yeah, it will be easier to move things around, see the preview image, also these panels. But we need a moment of silence because my backend developer is going away for a week and I'll miss him. But when he returns, he's going to work on the panels, I think. We'll see. But yeah, that's kind of the goal. Rip for 1 week, exactly. Although he deserves a vacation, so I can't complain. I'll miss him. That's for sure. A minute of silence for Mihai. Yes. By the way, for those of you who don't know, Mihai is my backend developer who also did quite a good chunk of front end. 10 seconds are enough. Okay. Yeah, so he's been helping me since the beginning of the project. So yeah, if backend is working properly, he's the one to be cheered. I love the coding team on your side. Thank you. The design is made by Vlad, which, yeah, Vlad Christia. If you look up on Twitter, you'll find him. All right, good. As you can see, I'm super chatty. Cop review, cop. Yeah. Okay, good. So let's create this. I think I'm going to keep the purple theme because purple is the best. You can't deny that. And then, yeah, let's create this. Ooh, I see there it has a gradient. Ooh, that's interesting. Yeah, so let's create this panel. Right now we have kind of this from the basic template. We have this div which has rounded corners. So if we remove them, we have square corners, and then here we can start working on our layout. Purple is definitely the best. See, I know. Good. So let's break it down. We have the header section, right? Then we have sort of a preview type of section with the title, the rating, and the image gallery. Okay, then a description and a button. So header, another section here. Although, as you can see, yeah, I might go by centering everything here, right? I need a tool to draw stuff so you can see a bit better. Yeah, so everything will be centered there, and then the images here, they will get out a bit of the layout. So I'll show you how to do that. So to center everything, the padding will be good. So let's have a header in which we need what? The back button, the title, and then the hamburger. So we need three things. We need the button, which will be back for now. We need the H1. Although, no. I might use H1 here. So in tethers, that doesn't feel right. It seems that it's a bigger text, but this feels more important, right? Yeah, I'll use an H2. So in heat, how do you spell that? Heaters, right? That? Yeah, look at that, nailed it. And then another button, which will burger. For now, we'll swap things out. We just create the layout first. And then in the section here, we have the title with the score inside. I'm going to use a bit of wizardry there to put that to the right. And then we have this gallery and the description. So H1, which will be movie. And then inside it, as I said, in a span, I think the text is pretty big. Can you see it properly? Let me know. So here we'll put the rate. Okay. And then here we're going to have the image gallery. We'll leave it empty for now. We're going to have the description, which has two parts. The time, I guess 2 paragraphs work there. Although I'm going to use a small tag for the time. 2 hours, 21 minutes. And for the paragraph, just lower them for now. Good. And at the end, the buy button. So a button, buy me, please, we need money. Something like that. Let's change that as well. All right, so I think for the layout, we pretty much have everything we need. The images, so for now, let's go on a splash, pick some movie images just for now. I don't want to spend too much time on this. We just need an image, source, and then alt unsplash. All right, good. Very good. Now let's start styling things. So first, in the header, we want this to be a flex and have justify between, like depth, and items center. Why not? Because we're going to have the icons and they might have different heights, so we want them to be centered vertically. Okay, let's go to tabular icons and get the icons. So we want the back kind of icon, chevron left. That seems to be good. Thank you. And then we need a hamburger menu. So burger menu. We could put that. Which one? Yeah, let's go with this one. Or let's be different. Go with this one. So instead of this, let's put this one. I want this to be aligned a little bit. Like that. Good. And for the H2, we want to make it text 3 cell, maybe? Too much? Let's see. That seems about right. Nah, too much. Alright. Pretty cool. Use the McDonald's icon, but you rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, why not? but people won't know how, won't know that they have to click on it. Or we could just leave it and don't give any functionality. Okay, so we do rotate 90. There you go. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Good, and we need that border at the bottom, right? So if we add now border bottom, we need more padding. So padding Y4. Look at that. And we need border, let's make it purple 900. Too much. 400. Up. Kind of like that. We have the text to be purple. I mean, sure. Let's keep it for now like that. It will be good. Goody, 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 goody. So far, so good. Any questions in the chat? Let me know. Do you have a Tailwind course on Udemy? No, but hopefully, maybe not this year because priority is JavaScript and then HTML and CSS. But I would like to do a Tailwind learning path on iCodeThis. Maybe this year, but most likely next year. Baby steps. How to learn Tailwind fast. So Tailwind, just go to tailwind.com and read through the documentation a little bit to figure out what is it with it, you know? And then whenever you need something, let's see, like transition, just type it in their search and you get all the classes you need, right? Or you want to see, okay, margin. And then you see all the classes and what they do, right? That's how I just have it next to your project like this. Or, well, maybe next to, once we redo the panels, you could have it better. But yeah, have it next to your project and you'll learn very fast. Just reference to it and yeah. Okay. So question, is the code editor you have on iCodeThis a package or did you build this yourself? This is Monaco editor. We didn't build it. That would have been quite a struggle to build an editor from scratch. Yeah, so all right, good. So the movie title, if we did this H2 to be text to Excel, then the H1 usually go one up higher, so 3 Excel, like that. And because we have the span here, which we want to push to the right, but first let's make it round and all that jazz. Sorry, I don't need this, I don't need this. Okay, so we want to make it round with a background and fun stuff like that. So we need to give it the width 12, background purple 200, rounded full. Okay, and is it, yeah, it seems to be bold, so let's make this font bold. Okay, we need to add some spacing. MY4. All right, and the circle needs to be bigger, so 16. No. 20. I think you don't have enough space, so let's do the trick. We'll convert this to a flex. Okay, and we'll do justify between and items center like that. And then apparently 12 was good enough. No, not really. Do we have 14? Okay, 14 seems good. And this as well, flex, justify, center this time, items center. and it should center the number there. Although it kind of looks pretty big. I don't like bold. Semi-bold. And maybe we can keep 2XL as well. And now go with bold. Trial and error. What do you think? It looks bigger than the other one. Oh, and we need this to be our main purple colors. So where should we put it? Put it here. Text purple 900. Okay, I don't hate it. Although the blue stands out more, so 600. Okay, like it. And this pen, we want to go back to the blackish color. Text, and I'll use my purple color there. All right, good. Now, we leave this for now because this is going to be a fun one to do. And let's style these. I'm going to do a bit of margin bottom on this. And okay, I like that to be. I kind of like the text this way. Okay, it's not exactly like this, but it kind of stands out a bit more. Maybe with a text semi-bold font, sorry. Okay, I kind of like that. And maybe this could be text alt G to be ch. Nah, I don't like that. All right, good. We're styling life here. And now for the button, class. Margin top, let's use the same 10. And what we want this to be BG purple 600, text white, width full, heading Y4, and what else? Bigger text alt G. Okay. And yeah, let's just say buy ticket. Ticket like that. Okay, so we could say we completed the challenge, right? When it comes to HTML and CSS, sort of. Let's see the chat, what it says. For his life, high five, yay! Can you include Tailwind IntelliSense to your editor? We want to do that. We couldn't find yet a package to help us do that, you know? We're working on it. I think I saw something in a GitHub repository, but we haven't yet. Oh, I really want Tailwind IntelliSense as well. But yeah. Okay, you should use margin top in my opinion. The elements flow to the bottom. By using margin top, only you push the content in the direction it flows naturally. Yes, you have a point, although as you can see, the span, because it's an inline element, it doesn't apply margin top, so I would have to add to make it the block level element as well. No, I think, let's see. Yeah, see, it stays like there, but without block, see, because it's an inline element, it doesn't have the margin collapses. So that's why I added it margin bottom there, so I don't have to add block to the small tag. Okay, good. Is it responsive? Is it responsive? Yes, iCodeThis is similar but different. We have daily coding challenges. Every day, a simple coding challenge, which you can do to improve your coding skills. Look at that pretty awesome McDonald's button. Where can I try? There's a, if you check this chat, there's a link on top, a pinned comment. you can click on that and you will be redirected to iCodeThis.com, or you can just type in the browser iCodeThis.com and you'll be redirected to the landing page, all the fun stuff. Good. So, well, we don't have the entire layout. We still need to make this fancy thing. That's going to be fancy. Because, well, I kind of liked, let me go back to the site. I liked what Nelutsu used here. He used Vimeo. I'm going to use that as well. Is this the play button in Vimeo? I think it is. Yeah, but until then, we need to do those 2 images. Okay. Think. So... I'm thinking which way to approach it. How to add other image and add the blur effect on them. Yes, that's what I'm thinking right now. It's really helpful that you show how you work through a challenge. Yes, that's why I want to do the some of the challenges. Obviously, I can't do everyone every day, but yeah, as many as I can. Try. Oh, by the way, I forgot the gradient here. So let's do that. Instead of having background white, we're going to do gradient to bottom. I think that's how you say it. And from BG white to BG and let's say purple 100. No. BG gradient to bottom, right? Yeah. Let's look it up. I forgot. So gradient. Let's see. So from. Yeah. So BG gradient to right. Okay. From. That should work. Oh, from white. Sorry, without BG. From white to purple. Yeah. Look at that. And we could say 300 now. Woohoo. Too much. A bit too much. Yo, Arman, I'm good. How are you? Okay, good. So we also have a gradient. And we have our own purple style of it. Let me submit. Look at that. Yay! I want to submit just to have it out there. And now I can edit it. By the way, for the previews, whenever you submit, the preview is regenerated. So in case you see a preview and like you worked on the project, you submit it and you want to do some edits later and you save, the preview will not be generated until you submit again. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's do that gallery thingy. And now let's see if on Unsplash, although I doubt it, can we find Wonder Woman? Yeah, I don't think we can find movie images here. So movie, because that's copyrighted, you know. If you know, you know. I might just use 3 random movie images, especially as I'm in YouTube. I don't want to get, you know, copyright straight. Okay, so let's see. I would like to make this image, and whenever that will be tricky. Let's for now just do this layout. Although, as you see, also has some shadow. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But I guess the shadow we can do by, let me close that. We only need this section for now. So if we add class shadow LG, okay, kind of add some shadow. Pixel. Yeah, let's add other two images. Slash, and let's add another one. And those two images, we're going to do something special with them. Unsplash. Okay, so we're going to make this relative, and then these two images, we're going to put them absolute. So absolute and absolute, and then they'll be hidden, sort of. Let's make this relative as well, so we can do z in the z10, so it stays on the top. Absolute, okay. Top 0, left 0, and then this one, top 0, right 0 for now. Okay, and we can move them. So let's see, we have a padding of 8, so we can move them left -8. Good. And I would like to scale them a bit. So scale, let's see, Tailwind, scale, what kind of classes we have here. Scale 75 or 90. Let's try. So 75. And I guess we need to move them more now. Because they're scaled and then they're moving. Let's see what the math for that is. I guess if we do 90, yeah, it will be better, but I'm kind of just trying to figure out the right. I guess 12 is okay for now. So yeah, minus right 12, scale 90. All right, so we kind of have that, and we could do. We have opacity, not blur. So for opacity, I think it's opacity, right? Yeah, opacity. So we want opacity 50. Okay. Where is it? Scale, yeah, opacity 50. Good. Although, 90%, so we have 8. Yeah, I don't know if I can get it perfectly right. I mean, I guess I could add custom values. Oops. 4 rem. No. 3 rem. Just play with it to get it right. So 3 rem is 12. So 3.5. I don't think. Yeah, no, I'd rather leave it like that. Where is it? 12. Okay. There's another way I could do it. I could have this to be minus mx8. And inside it have padding 8. Like that, and then have left 0. But it's still scaled. Ah. Nah. Nah, I don't like it. Okay, let's go back. Back. And keep it like this. It's not too wide. I guess I could give more padding. And then move it a bit more, 14. Ah. Yeah, so it's just that it's not like clickable enough. Okay, 16 seems better now. Alright, good. I'm okay with this. We kind of made more space and then we have, yeah, more space to get it out. You completed the challenge already. Awesome. What are you making now is in fact kind of mobile version. I don't understand how Tailwind acts like in this situation. Can you explain more? I'm not sure what you mean. Like, Tailwind is a CSS library. And it has, so like anything you can do with CSS, you could do with Tailwind. And now we're kind of, yeah, we're doing the mobile version, but on the web. So we can do with CSS anything, right? What I notice now is that on the header we have py. I read. Yeah, I'm kind of cheating here. It's just to get it smaller here. Why is the MC logo in the corner? It's not the MC logo, it's the hamburger menu, Mihai. You don't know. You don't know. It's a 3. And yeah, it's Richard's fault. By the way. Just so people don't yell at me too much. I just do italic. Just italic, okay. Okay, good. So people know. Okay, good. Now, how much did I spend on HTML and Tailwind? Like 47 minutes? Okay. Pretty cool. Let's save it. Good. So let's add some JavaScript, right? Left. Yeah. What kind of JavaScript? So there are a couple of things we could do. First, we could make this gallery. Yeah, we could do that. Make the McDonald's menu work. Make the buy button work. Oh boy. There's so many things we could do. Okay. Let's start with the easiest one. I'm thinking. That's why we're silent. Make it buy all cinema tickets and put it on my name, Chris Bolton. Okay, thank you. You're so generous. By the way, how is the mobile now that we have more padding? Let me do something. Have here an overflow hidden in case. Yeah, I mean, I think on mobile we should go back to 8. Yeah, and then MD padding 12. Just so it looks a bit better on that side. Yeah, okay. Goody. By the way, keep in mind that Tailwind is mobile first. So whatever class you're applying, it applies on mobile. And if you want to do something on mobile, something else on desktop, then you first type in the first add in the mobile class and then the desktop class. I use MD mostly, but yeah. Okay, good. Hello from Turkey. Hello. So hamburger menu. If we click on it, considering that now it's a McDonald's button, what it should do? It should do something. Let's see. Let's add an Easter egg or something. Why don't you use Bootstrap? Why Tailwind? Because I like Tailwind more. And Bootstrap, it has, like, they already have the components and you have to recreate them from scratch. I just use Tailwind and just do it from scratch by default. And I have the colors, I have the typography, I have spacing, so it's all working, you know. I used to work with Bootstrap a lot a couple of years ago, so I added to my version to get the back button to do something. Nah, that's because you got the idea from me. Okay, I have an idea, but I don't know how it will work out. So, whichever you want. Wait. I'm doing something now. Don't tell anyone. Hey. Okay. It's rotated. I want it to know. Now you're hungry. Don't need a burger. Okay. Doing something. Which you shouldn't do. Okay. Okay. I forgot how to write JavaScript. Was it? Const. Okay. document, get element D, burger button dot add event listener. On click, we want to do something. Burger button dot per selector image dot class list dot because we need it twice. Burger. Nah. So burger image that class list toggle scale 0 and burger image class list toggle scale. How many scales we have? Oops. Oh, scale 150. Scale 3. Let's see, does it work? Kind of. Why is it so small though? I don't like that. Okay. Top 0 right 0 goes there. What if I want it to the bottom? So then it comes right there. I guess I can set the width 20, height 20, object cover. Alright. Way bigger. But the positioning is not right. So I'm thinking, how do I make it go wherever I want it to go? By the way, transition. Drips, 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 drips. Kind of goes. Let's just do width. So keep the aspect ratio. And I want transform. I forgot a class. Origin. Transform origin. Origin top right. Or origin top right. Alright, look at that. And one Z20. If they have that. No, they don't. Index. What's the most? Hey, they do. Why is it covered by the image? The image is Z10. No, that's interesting. Z1000. Yeah, I mean, 20 should work. It's absolute. 30? No. That's weird. By the way, just let me make it bigger. 20. Too much. 50. Yeah, I still don't like the positioning of it. We should figure out where to... Hey! It doesn't have to be here. It could be elsewhere. Aha! Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on. Burger image. We can do this. By the way, this is dummy. Don't do this at home. Where is the image? Burger has road. Oh, we don't need roaded anymore. It needs scale, top right, transition. It could be in the center. Okay. Top right 0 up there. What? Plate X. Sorry. Half from the top. Half from the left. And then we transition it back half from the top and half. Oh, half left, half top. Okay, let's see. Yeah, look at that juicy burger right in your face and you can't click it anymore. Okay. Let's see now. Oops. Okay. That's my secret sauce there. Salutare flow. Although we kind of have to make it so that if the image covers the button, then you need to click on it to hide it. The McFlurry. I like that. McFlurry. Okay, so let's make a function show burger and function hide burglar. And now instead of that kind of could toggle it, but yeah, let's remove it here and add it here. And then when you click, we want to show burger and burger image, add event listener, click. We want to hide burger when we click on it. Doop. Show burger, burger classes remove scale. What did I do? I did something. But what did I do? Hey, we don't even need this. We could just say show burger. Because we just did that. Hide burger. Okay. No. Add and remove in one function. So remove that class. Oh, yeah, sorry, and add that class. Add that class and remove this class. Okay, thank you. Okay, good. And now the image needs to be pointer, so we need to add cursor to it. Wow, that's interesting. Or it has to be pointer cursor? I forgot a class. Wow. So the images that don't have a... No, that's interesting. Or I forgot. Cursor pointer. Okay. Maybe that's one. Yeah, look at that. Good. And we could add some hover effects like opacity 80, also on the button, just to make it opacity 80, hover, rotate 0, and then transition. So although you kind of expect to toggle maybe on the image, not opacity, but what? Some kind of other hover thingy. Scale. scale back to 14. How much is it? No, 7. I'm just playing around now. Joop, joop, joop. Joop, joop, joop. Wow, that's... Oh, that's so nice. Like, see? We click on it, but the hover scale 7 is still applied. And then only when we hover out, the scale 8 is applied. Whoa, no, that's deep. We need to do something else on hover. Like, I don't know. Give me ideas, give me ideas. Blur. Filter. Filter. Sepia 0. Yeah, sure, why not? Does that work? No. Okay. Why not? Oh, just... That's the reset. Come on, Florian. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Or... Okay. I promise I'm done with this. And you hover over, you see it. And we should... Let's make it right, okay? We should have an X on it, so it shows that, hey, you can like close me. So SVG, sorry, let's get it from tabular icons. Close. X, copy SVG. Make class text white, and I want this to be bigger, and we move the absolute on the parent. I think we kind of move all of this to the parent, and also this, so we work with the parent instead. This way, yeah. Okay, that X is too big. So we need to can I scale it back? I mean, if I say scale, yeah, that won't work because the entire thing is scaled up like crazy. I have another idea. So we have scale 0, and here instead of scaling up to 8, we could just say width 96. So then we scale it from 0 to 1, so the image size, and then the X won't be, yeah, sort of like that. But the image needs to be width full. Alright. Good. And now we could place the X. So absolute top 1, right 1. Right? And it will be on top of the image right there. Okay, good. And I guess we could make it bigger, like I said, 96. That's 96 pixels, or yeah, I don't know. 360 pixels, and with full, yeah, okay. Hey, that's quite similar. 500. All right, good. Okay, I spent too much. I spent too much time on this. Sorry. I got cut away. I got distracted by fancy thing, like a hamburger button. Good. Yeah, let's do something. Let's make this be a YouTube player. So first, I need the trailer Wonder Woman. Okay, and I need to, how do I embed it? Like this. Copy. Okay, I got the player. All right. Has fixed width, so we need to do our fixed stuff. What if we remove this? Okay. Can it have width or no? Can it have a class width full? Wow, pretty cool. 96. No. 60. That feels about right. I guess I could swap it out for the image. That's the easiest way to do it. Put it 72. Hey, but what? It looks weird. Relative Z10. That's why. Okay. 70 too much. 68. What's, or we don't have between 70 height. 64. Okay. Yeah, so this is the player. Although I guess it's one way to do it. Just a second. Do you like backend development? I mean, I don't hate it, but I'm afraid of it, so. All right. So we have our player. Although there's other things we could do. Let's add a hover effect on the button here. BG white and hover text purple. No, let's add text like that, and we also want position, so it moves like that. Okay. Chris, let me submit. I want to see what Chris did for the back button. Did he have the same idea as I had? Sorry, wanted something to happen when when you click on the nav back button. So I did this. So this is for you. Let's leave a comment. The best thing about this project is the back button. Pretty funny. Okay, so that's what you did. All right, then I'm going to go all crazy and do something else. Something. Yeah, so here, I guess on bigger screens we need the iframe to be, where is it? Where is it? Where are you? Iframe. 72. 64. Oh, height, the 72, like. Alright. So on mobile like that. I guess I could wait. I could apply these to the images here as well. So then they should obey by the same rules, right? Yeah. See? And then I have this the same aspect ratio all the time. Ha 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 ha. Nobody knows that those are not Wonder Woman images, but you know. Okay. I'm going to do something which I told Vlad to do like a month ago or so. Vlad, if you're still in the chat and you remember, this is going to be a fun one. So basically, what I want to do is when you press on the back button, you will see a list of images, well, a list of movies. And when you click on those, you'll see the card for the movie. How about that? Can I do that by the time my wife comes home in about an hour, maybe? Yeah, that's me going crazy. So let's get started. First, that can remain here. Basically, what we want is I want to make this dynamic into a component, and when you click back, you show another. Yeah, okay, that could be done. And then we bring this to front and we update this with the dynamic stuff. So yeah, good. Let's do store movies. We have an array of data. We have what we have here. Oh, by the way, this is not movie, but it doesn't matter, but I'm going to change it anyway. This is Wonder Woman, something like that. Okay. So we have a couple of things. We have a title, which is Wonder Woman. By the way, chat, give me 3 movie ideas, 3 movies, whichever you like. Rating will be 8.1. We need the link to go to. I guess we need the yeah, we can use this. So the link will be this. We need a time, which is 2 hours 21 minutes, and description, which, yeah, we can keep this lower and blah 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 blah. Okay, good. Are you ready? This is kind of the button burger kind of thing, which we're going to keep. So the founder, okay. The title, the founder. What's the rating of it? 9, whatever. We need a link. We need a time, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and description. Chris said this is a good movie, so I trust him. Just kidding, I saw it and it is a good one. There's the reason I chose this movie, yeah. That's the reason, right? Okay. Okay. Let's quickly find the founder trailer. Don't play. Okay. And I want share, embed, and I want the link. Link. And I guess I could go the founder on Google and see like 1 hour and 55 minutes, and it has a rating of 7.2, and description. Let's use the description from Google for this one. Let's make it like, you know, let's make it good. Because why not? And then Wonder Woman. It's okay, yeah. Princess. A princess. And the time is right. I can't see the time here, but I guess. And the rating is 7.4 apparently on IMDb, so we'll keep that. All right, we have 2 movies. We'll add more movies, whatever, later. Okay. Okay. So we need another screen which will host the list of movies, right? So let's keep it simple for now. We're going to have a box which has the title and an arrow to the right. When you click that, it will open up the panel and show you the movie details. When you go back, it will open up this panel and show you the list. Right? Sounds right. Right? Okay, good. I sound like a broken machine. So a UL and an LI, and here we're going to say the movie like Wonder Woman, and we're going to have button inside which tabler icons, right? Chef, right? Where are you? This one. Thank you very much. Okay, good. Keep the SVG there, the button there. All right, and this one should have the same, like, I like this, I like that, I like that. Kind of like all of them, and remove what I don't like. I don't like the gradient right now, so let's just keep it BG white. Too much padding, let's just keep it like that. No more padding on desktop. Space we don't need because we only have the UL. Shadow, sure. Max, overflow, relative. I don't think we need that. Okay, and for the LI, I'm going to give it flex, item center, space between, and we need to push it. Do we do it here? Oh, I guess, wait, could do it with full here. Nah. We need to do it here as well. Hey, why don't you want to... Now I don't like you. I don't want to do with full everywhere, but I need to figure out where... Oh, space between. Yeah, we have that. Flex item center space between with full. BG purple 300, just so you can see. Yeah, so that's with full. BG red 400, more testing, so that's full. Then why don't you want to go at the center space between justified? Ah, so that was it. Good. Now we can remove this, remove probably all of this. Yes. And this as well. No, we need that. But does it work like this? Hey, it does. Okay, see? Bunch of trial and error until you kind of make it work. All right, and we do it again. But this time we say the founder. And here we add a class of space y8. Too much. Okay. Okay. When we hover over, by the way, this is all going to be dynamic, so BG let's be creative and hover text white. Okay, we need some padding. All right, look at that. Although we're going to do something crazy. We're going to use the li as yeah, you know what? Let's just make list div with buttons. I guess that's the most semantically correct, right? Because that's what we have, a list of buttons. So div with buttons. Buttons. Okay, and now again, I need to do with full here. Okay. And here we could have an H1 to be movies. Okay. And we can copy paste this. And have the founder. All right. And this is going to be hidden. Sorry, Richard, I'm going to have to delete this for now. And yeah. Okay. Good. Adrian, hello. So yeah, we built this in the HTML, but now it's time to build it dynamically. And this will be the movie wrapper. So here we're going to do movie wrapper and get the movie wrapper element. And sure, we add all the Burger Kingy stuff. But what we want is to go over the movies. For each movie, we want to create a button. So const movie button document dot create element. We create a button, and the button inner HTML is going to be our text and the SVG. But we also need to collect these classes because we want to apply them on the movie button. Class name, and we'll put everything here. Perfect. And then do that. And here for the movie, we're going to get the movie dot title. So that way we create as many buttons as many movies we have. And at the end, we're going to, movie button, sorry. We're going to append the movie button to the movies, the movie wrapper. Movie wrapper, append child, movie, no. What was it? Movie button. All right, good. So now we should see the two movies. And the nice thing about this is that if we add another movie, let's see the Flooring Pop, then it will appear there as well. That's pretty cool. But for now, we keep the movies. Now, the interesting part of this is that we need to add a click event to the button. Out of curiosity, why are you always creating the element, doing inner HTML terminate and appending it to the movie wrapper instead of doing directly movie wrapper in HTML button class? Well, because like in this example, you already have the title inside, so you need to append it, right? But usually, yeah, I mean, I could have a div here and loop over and add plus equals inner HTML plus equals, right? But yeah, I don't know. It seems a bit cleaner this way. Although instead of inner HTML, inner content. No, we need inner HTML because we have the SVG. Yeah, it already had something in it. But even if it doesn't have something in it, I still kind of do it this way. I don't know. In my mind, it's like cleaner. Okay, how do I apply? Oh, but I have the movie button. I can do movie button dot add event listener. I can do this. And now we can show movie, and we can create a function show movie which takes in the movie from the button. Well, actually from this function. And what we want to do first, we want to hide this panel, we want to show the other panel, and we want to fill the other panel with the data from our movie, right? So let's see. Number 1, hide movies panel. Number 2, show movie card. And number 3, well, actually, yeah, I guess we first add data to movie, add correct movie data to the movie card, and then show movie card, right? So for that, we have the movie wrapper here, and this will be movie card. And here we're going to need a couple of things. We need this H2, so let's give it an idea of title so we can reference it. Oh, wait, no, sorry. This is the panel up there, so no, we don't need that. We need this one, the H1, which will be movie title. This should be changed. Okay, the iframe move, this will be YouTube. I guess we could just toggle the iframe. And the source here will be nothing for now, just so we don't see anything. The image, the dumb images will remain the same. We could change them later. This will be time, the movie time. So time, and this will be a description. So description. And buy ticket should remain the same. Okay, so we basically have the structure of the HTML structure, right? Of what we need. Now we just play around with it and we fill in data. This is more or less what React kind of does, but more complicated, obviously. But yeah, all right. So hide movie panel, movies wrapper. So movie wrapper class list that toggle hidden, and this will be movie card class list that toggle hidden. We kind of toggle between them. Doop, 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 doop. Although, yeah, we should. I don't know. Here we need to add hidden and remove hidden because this shows the movie, so it doesn't toggle it. Okay, good. My bad. So movie card, we need to toggle it here. Movie card. I have the correct class here. Yes. All right. So if this is correct, when I press a button here, it should show the movie card. Hey, look at that. Pretty cool. And the movie card doesn't have any, like, it doesn't have the correct data, right? It's dummy data. So good, it works. We need to add the correct data here and we're golden. Will this live be safe? What do you mean by safe? All right, and what I want to do is on the back button, on the movie card. So this one, I want back button, burger button. I want back button. I want to add an event listener on it as well. Back button, add event listener. We click. Come on, Florin, you're typing too fast. And what we want here is basically these two, but in reversed order. So first we add the class of hidden to the movie card and then remove the class of hidden from the movie wrapper. So now we could switch between the two. Pretty cool. And the last thing we have to do is to add data, the correct data in the correct place. So what we have the title. So movie card dot query selector. I want to find the title. And the inner text of that will be movie.title. Then movie card dot query selector. I want to find the, I forgot the IDs I placed. So we have the title, we have YouTube. So YouTube, and I want the source of this to be movie dot link, I think. Movie.link. We have rating. Hey, I forgot to add the rating. An ID to the rating here. I guess I could like get the H1 and then find the span between it, but whatever. So we have the title. We do the rating. Inner text movie.rating. Then we have the YouTube movie link. Then movie card dot time. Query selector time. Inner text will be movie.time, right? time and description, the last one. Movie card dot query selector description inner text movie dot description. So yeah, keep in mind that this movie comes from the button, and this button is created dynamically by looping over all the movies. So we get the correct data, hopefully, right? You might want to like kind of darken your camera. Yeah, 1 second. Thank you about that. It got dark very fast. All right, so sorry for yelling. If we click on this, and if I did something, if I did everything correctly, we should see the correct data for every movie, and we should be able to navigate between the movies list and the movie card. Let's see. Boom. Perfect. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining the stream. That's it. Bye-bye. Something happened. I messed up something. Let's see what. Console. Button is not defined. Button is not defined. Button is not defined. There's a button somewhere, and it's apparently not defined. On line 103, we don't have one. Look at that. Button not defined on line 103, but we don't have 103. So where do I have button? And it's not defined. What did I do wrong? Movie button. That's created there. It should work, right? We append a child. And then show movie, movie card, query selector, title rating. Maybe it's the back. No, the back button worked. So what's wrong? Let's do it. Have it refresh. Oh, wait, it's another setting inner text of null. So we have null somewhere. Movie card, title, rating, YouTube, time, and description. So let's see. Do we have those? Title. It should be inside of the movie card. Yeah. Title. Rating. YouTube. Time and description. Yeah. Thank you, typo. Alright. So that wasn't it. Let's take it step by step. Let's see. Is the title wrong? No, the title is good. It works. Okay. Is the rating wrong? Yeah. Movie card rating. Oh. Oh, okay. I think I know what's happening. I'm changing the inner text of the title, which has the rating, and then my... you have description in your JavaScript as well. So, yeah, see? I'm changing the inner text of the movie title, so the H1 here, which changes the span. Alright, so I'm going to trick it by having another span here. And this span will have the ID title. Right? So we're not changing that. See? So now it should work. Okay, good. And the rating should be the correct one. By the way, here we should have 0.0 just to see if it changes. Yeah, look at that, it changes. Good. YouTube, let's see. Will they all work now? Okay, they do. Everything works, although the YouTube thingy kind of loads slowly a bit. But yeah, that's... I guess we could load it in the background, so we make it load instantly. I think that will work, but maybe it's an overkill for this one. So yeah, there you go. We also have this with a burger, and we go back, we select the movie. Someone else tell me another movie, please. Until I put some water. Jorge, how are you, my buddy? Thank you for joining the stream. What other movies do you like? Okay, I'm going to put one of my favorite movies. The Greatest Showman. Okay, what? The Greatest Showman. I want the time. So let's copy this. Okay. The rating is 7.5. Time is 1 hour and 45 minutes. The description is this. And the YouTube video is... just a second. Is going... No. It's going to be... this. All right. And now, as you can see, we just added an object with the details of a movie, and we already have another card working. See, that's the beauty of stuff like this. And all the data should be correct. Yeah. Let me try to do something. I'm going to try to create an iframe for each movie to see if we have it already. Where is the code iframe? I should add it to the document. So, just to try rendering the iframe faster. So basically, we're going to do const iframe document.create element iframe, and now I need to see like what kind of things he has. Frame class name. We'll do this, and then iframe source will be the movie.link, and then actually we don't need classes, we don't need anything, we just need to load it. So iframe and the source should be fine. And here document dot body append child iframe, and we can hide it. Yeah, look at that. So we could do iframe.classlist.add hidden. So that way, although I'm wondering if this will load. Let's first see if it loads faster because we have it there. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of faster, but it still needs a second. And let's see if we have the hidden one. Will it load? Yeah, it kind of does, right? Let's see without this code. Or no? Nah. Oh well. It doesn't load faster. Hello, senor. Glad to be able to make it live. Nice. Glad to have you. Yeah, so I don't know how we could load it a bit faster. Or maybe there's a way we can figure out when the movie is loaded, but yeah, that's out of the scope of this tutorial. Whatever, live stream. Yeah, so I think this is it. We have movie cards, dynamic. Everything is dynamic. Let me give myself a like because I like my work. And yeah, I pretty much like it. I guess on the buy ticket we could do something, but I don't know what for now. Yeah. Oops. I have an idea. So buy button. I'm going to show you another trick. This is just something simple. So where we have the button thing is buy button, add event listener. When we click on it, we can say buy button inner text will be thanks for purchasing. No, purchased. Sorin is richer now by that much. No, we need to make it shorter. All right, and what we can do is to have by button. No, we need to set timeout. Timeout after, I don't know, 3 seconds. We can put it back to buy button inner text to be whatever it was, buy ticket. All right, let's see. Back. Yay, purchase for this richer, and then in 3 seconds, boom, buy button. Good. We could like change colors and stuff. Buy button, class list, add. Will it work? BG, yellow, 600, text, my color. Sorry, we need to do it in different. Like that. And here, let's see if it works for now. Yeah, we have the hover. And here we can move it. And I guess we, I could remove the hover. What's the hover? The hover, oh, too classic. All right, let's do it. If we started going down this path, we'll continue. So we remove that, and we remove this. And then here we add it back. All right. So now if we click it, it should go yellow. And then after a minute, it should go back to its normal state. All right, look at that. Perfect. So we work with set timeout as well. I don't like the color yellow. 500 maybe? Yeah, perfect. Hey, the text is not working. It's not overwriting the text white, probably. Oh well, then we could remove it. So keep the code simpler. Ah, good. Goody, 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 goody. We also have the hamburger menu and the movie list, the buy ticket. Yeah, we kind of went super crazy with this one. All right, chat. I want to make it a bit bigger. Perfect, juicy. Okay, let's submit. Hey, we have a comment. That's a nice looking hamburger. Thank you. Good. So we really went crazy with this one. I think one thing I'll do, although I want to show like a movie card. Nah, you know what? No. I'll keep this. It's not the most pretty, but yeah, this is not pretty either, which we did in last stream. Also with a bunch of JavaScript. So it should be fine. It's a good example of how you can do dynamic things with JavaScript. Okay, chat, if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'm going to close this one and we'll have another stream maybe tomorrow. Let me pick at what the project is for tomorrow. Would you like to see? Ooh, tomorrow's project is also quite interesting. I'll show you a peek. It's a... I don't know how it's called. But yeah, sort of a music playlist sort of thing. But yeah, it's kind of like also... It's simple at first, like the HTML and CSS, but then it can go super crazy. Alright, that's it. No more spoilers. You'll see it tomorrow. 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 Awesome. Good. Thank you all for joining. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And I'll see you tomorrow with another project. We might do tomorrow's project or maybe pick something else. I think I saw something interesting I would like to work on. And yeah, if you haven't joined iCodeThis, there's a link in the description. There's a link in the top of the chat right now. You can click that and join our Discord community because it's super cool. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.